everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English. If you are new here, my name is Mia.
And my name is Leo. We help you learn English with fun conversations about real life.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
That really helps the channel and lets us make more podcasts for you. All right, today we talk about a big topic, confidence.
Confidence. This little word can change your whole life.
And your English too. So let's talk about it in simple English, with simple examples, and with our own stories.
Okay, Leo, first question. Are you a confident person?
It depends. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It's like Wi-Fi. Sometimes full signal, sometimes nothing.
My confidence is like my phone battery. At 9 a.m., 100%. At 3 p.m., 4%.
But that is normal. People think confidence is something you have all the time, like a superpower. I think confidence is like a wave. It goes up and down.
Yes, and that is our first important idea for today. Confidence is not on or off. It is not I am confident or I am not confident. It changes.
Maybe you feel confident talking to your best friend, but not confident talking to your boss.
Or you feel confident playing video games, but not confident speaking English.
Or the opposite. You are shy in your language, but in English, you are like a superstar.
That is actually me sometimes. In my language, I am shy. In English, my brain says, new language, new person. Let's go.
Confidence has many faces. So if you say, I am not confident, maybe that is not true. Maybe the real sentence is, in this situation, I feel less confident.
And that is a much better sentence. It feels less heavy, less scary.
Exactly. You can work on a situation, you can change a situation.
Okay, but what is confidence, really? Let's make it super simple.
For me, confidence is, I am not perfect, but I am okay. I can try.
And for me, confidence is, I am afraid, but I do it anyway.
So we agree. Confidence is not about zero fear. It is about action with fear.
Yes. Brave people feel fear too. They just don't let fear drive the car.
Maybe fear can sit in the back seat with a seat belt.
And no music. Fear does not choose the playlist.
Yeah, no playlist for fear. So for you listening, remember this simple line. Confidence is not no fear. Confidence is fear, but I try.
Let's connect this to English. Many of you feel nervous when you speak English. Maybe your heart goes fast, your hands are cold, your face is hot.
You think, what if I make a mistake? What if they don't understand me? What if I look stupid?
But listen, making mistakes in English does not mean you are stupid. It means you are learning.
When a child says, I goed instead of I went, we don't say, wow, what an idiot. We say, cute, they are learning.
Exactly. So why are we so kind with children and so hard with ourselves?
Because we think adults must be perfect. But that is impossible, especially with a second language.
So here is a new idea. Every time you make a mistake in English, say in your head, I am in learning mode.
Not I am stupid mode. I am in learning mode.
When you are in learning mode, mistakes are normal. They are part of the job.
Okay, now let's talk about one of the biggest confidence killers, comparison.
Ah, yes. The famous sentence, their English is better than my English.
You listen to another person, they speak fast, they know many words, and then you feel bad.
You forget all the words you know. You only look at what you don't know.
It's like you have a big pizza, but you only look at the missing slice.
I always look at the missing slice.
Yeah, same. But we can change that. Instead of, their English is better than mine, We can say their English is different from mine.
Maybe they speak fast, but you speak more clearly.
Maybe they know big words, but you are good at connecting with people.
And maybe they studied for 10 years and you studied for only 10 months. Of course it's different.
You cannot compare Chapter 2 with Chapter 10. That makes no sense.
So here is a small trick. When you want to compare, ask this question. What chapter am I in right now?
Maybe Chapter 3 of English, or Chapter 1 of Speaking with Real People.
Then ask, what is one small thing I can do to move to the next page in this chapter?
Not to Chapter 10, just to the next page.
For example, today, maybe you listen to this podcast until the end. That is one page.
Or you write 3 sentences about your day in English. Another page.
Or you say hello in English to a friend. Another page.
Many small pages make a big book.
Okay, Leo, I have a question. Tell us about a time when you had no confidence.
Only one time? I have many.
Choose your favorite.
All right. When I was a teenager, I went to an English class. One day, the teacher asked a question, and I answered. My grammar was bad. My pronunciation was not great.
I feel the pain already.
And one guy in the back of the class made a face. This face, like, what did he say?
The classic face of judgment.
Exactly. I saw his face, and boom, my confidence crashed. I thought, my English is terrible. I will never speak again.
What did you do?
For 2 months, I didn't speak in class. I only listened. If the teacher asked me something, I answered with one word.
That must be hard.
It was, and my English did not improve a lot in those 2 months because I was too scared to try.
So what changed?
One day, the teacher said something that stayed in my head. She said, if you are silent, you will be perfect, but you will not speak.
Wow.
If you speak, she said, you will not be perfect, but you will grow.
That is powerful.
I realized I was trying to be the perfect student with no mistakes, and that was killing my progress.
So what did you do?
I made a decision. I said to myself, okay, this guy can make faces, but I will speak anyway.
That's confidence.
Not because I felt good. I still felt scared. But I decided my progress was more important than his face.
I like that. My progress is more important than their face.
So if you are listening now and you are scared of other people's faces, remember this.
Their face is not your problem. Your progress is your focus.
Okay, your turn, Mia. Tell us your story with confidence.
All right. When I started making videos in English, I was very nervous. I thought my accent was strange. I thought my voice was annoying.
Same. I also hate my voice on recordings.
I recorded one video. Then I watched it. And I thought, no, this is terrible. Delete.
The classic delete moment.
I recorded again, and again, and again. And every time I thought, no, not good enough.
How many times?
I think maybe 20 times for one short video.
That is a lot of stress for one video.
Yes. Finally, I said, okay, this is not perfect, but I will post it. I pressed upload and then I wanted to hide under my bed.
And what happened?
Nobody died. The world did not explode. Some people liked the video. Some people said, thank you, this helped me.
And your confidence?
My confidence did not appear like magic. But after the 10th video, I felt a little better. After the 20th, more. And now, talking to you here, I feel pretty good.
Nice.
So for me, confidence came from action. Not before action. After action.
This is important. Many people wait to feel confident before they start.
When I feel confident, I will speak English.
When I feel confident, I will travel.
When I feel confident, I will start that project.
But confidence often comes after the first steps, not before.
It's like going to the gym. You don't become strong before going. You become strong by going.
So maybe we can say, don't wait for confidence, invite confidence.
You invite it by taking small actions, small scary actions.
Okay, let's give some very simple, practical ideas to build confidence, especially in English.
Good idea. Let's do a list, but we speak it, not write it.
Number 1, use small goals, not big goals.
I will speak English perfectly is a big goal, and it is a bit impossible.
But I will speak English for 5 minutes today is a small goal. That is possible.
Or I will learn 3 new words and use them in a sentence.
Small goals are easier. When you complete them, you feel a little success. This small success gives you a small boost of confidence.
And small boosts add up, like coins in a jar.
Number 2, talk to yourself in a kind way.
Many people are so rude to themselves in their head. They think, I am stupid. My English is terrible. I sound awful.
You would never say this to a friend, so don't say it to yourself.
Try to speak to yourself like a kind teacher, not like a mean boss.
For example, instead of my accent is bad, say my accent is different, and that is okay. I am learning.
Or instead of, I am so slow, say, I am careful. With practice, I will be faster.
Words are important. The way you speak to yourself can make your confidence grow or die.
Number 3, remember your wins.
Our brain loves problems. It always remembers our mistakes, but it forgets our wins.
So make a small confidence list. It can be in your phone or on paper.
Write simple things like, I ordered food in English. I watched a video without subtitles. I talked to a tourist.
When you feel low, read your list. It's proof that you are improving.
Number 4, prepare, but don't over-prepare.
When you know you will speak English, for example, at work or on a trip, you can prepare some sentences.
For example, can you say that again, please? Or, sorry, what does that mean? Or, can you speak more slowly, please?
These little phrases are like tools in your pocket. They give you more confidence.
But don't wait until you know everything to speak. That day will not come.
Use the tools you have now. You don't need the full toolbox to start.
Number 5, spend time with people who support you.
Some people are like confidence vampires. They take your energy, they laugh at your mistakes, they make you feel small.
Please don't practice with those people.
Look for people who are patient, who listen, who smile when you try.
You can find them in language groups, online communities, or maybe in your real life.
If you don't know anyone, you still have us. You can practice by listening, pausing, and answering in your head.
And you can write in the comments too. We see you.
Okay, now let's talk about body language and confidence.
Ah, yes. The body and the mind are friends. They talk to each other.
When you are not confident, your body closes. You look down. Your shoulders go forward. Your voice is quiet.
When you are more confident, your body is more open, your back is straight, you look up, your voice is a little louder.
And here is the cool thing. You can use your body to help your mind.
Before you speak English, try this. Stand or sit up straight. Put your feet on the ground. Take a deep breath.
Look forward, not down. Even if you are on the phone, look forward.
When you breathe slowly and sit or stand tall, your brain receives the message. We are safe. We can do this.
And this can make your English flow more easily.
One more thing about confidence in English. Some people feel bad because of their accent.
Yes. Many people think, my accent is bad. I want a native accent.
But accents show your story. They show where you come from. That is beautiful.
Imagine a world where everybody speaks with the same accent. That would be so boring.
The real question is not, do I sound like a native? The real question is, do people understand me?
If people understand you, you are successful. Mission complete.
Of course, you can work on your pronunciation. But do it with love, not with hate.
Yes. Don't think I must kill my accent. Think I can make my English more clear.
Okay, let's finish with some simple confidence sentences that you can remember.
These are not for repeating after us. Just listen and maybe choose one favorite.
I am learning. I don't need to be perfect today.
My mistakes are proof that I am trying.
My progress is more important than other people's opinions.
I can feel afraid and still speak.
My accent is part of my story.
Small steps every day make big changes.
If one of these sentences feels good for you, keep it in your mind this week.
You can write it on a paper, on your phone, or just remember it when you feel nervous.
And remember, confidence is not something other people give you. It is something you build little by little.
With every new word, every small conversation, every time you try, even when you are afraid, you are building your confidence.
So if you listened until now, you already showed confidence. You stayed. You listened in English. That is amazing progress.
We are really proud of you. Even if your English is not where you want it to be yet, you are on the way.
And we are happy to be on this journey with you.
If you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with a friend who wants more confidence in English.
You can also tell us in the comments, in what situation do you want to feel more confident in English?
Speaking at work, traveling, making friends, something else? We read your comments and we can make future episodes to help you.
Thank you for spending this time with us today.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, you don't need to be perfect to be confident.
You just need to be brave enough to try.
See you in the next episode of Pop Off English.
Bye for now.